Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Neefah. I'm a mother of one son. I'm a truck driver. I'm also an entrepreneur. I sell lipsticks, lashes, and purses. And I'm an artist. And you can check out my music right here on YouTube. There's a whole playlist for you. Good morning, y'all. It's January 5th. But I have two boxes. But first, we're gonna unbox both of these boxes. They're from Bathandbodyworks. Sponsor me. But, you know, they blowout sale after Christmas. So that's when you get all the goodies. And I was able to get this. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. See what goodies wait on me. See what goodies are here for me. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell it already. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all, if y'all don't know about this mahogany teak wood, y'all better get on it, y'all. I cannot wait to get in the shower. I'm about to bathe, y'all. Mahogany teak wood, it smells so good. So good. So this right here is actually the men's collection. It's 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. I love this smell so much. So the fragrant notes are mahogany, black teak wood, and lavender. So here's the body wash. Here is the lotion. This one is the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. So the gift set comes with the body wash, the lotion. The gift set also comes with the body spray, and then it also comes with a shea butter cleansing bar. I'm excited about all these. And it comes with this cute little gift bag. I love that. We love that. Like I said, that's the men's collection, but I love that smell so much. I got the candles, I got the plug-ins, and that'll all be linked in my Amazon storefront. And then I'll also have you some videos to show you that I have them plugged up around my house and the candles as well. All right, let's open this box up and see what I got. Let's go in the bag first. So this is sanitizer. Yes. In the Stars antibacterial gel. And I need this because I touch a lot of boxes at work, so I definitely need that to just cleanse my hands when I'm out and I can't wash my hands. So in this little box, it's a little gift set as well. And it comes with a miniature body cream, so some more lotion. I can just put this in my purse, real cute, a small travel pack. It's in the Stars. And I want to read y'all the fragrant notes if I can find them. If not, I'll just put it on the screen when I edit the video. But in the Stars, I must have got this. I don't know how this smells. This was actually a blind buy. I gotta get in the shower real quick, so just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I forgot to take my tirzepatide shot yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and take it today. And I want to make sure I record it on camera. So I don't know, but I feel like I have better results when I shoot myself in my right thigh. Cause I don't know if y'all seen when I did my other video and I showed y'all like my data that I've been taking. But when I increase up to 50 units, my next shot, I end up dropping 4 pounds. But I did do that shot in my thigh. So I don't know, but I just feel like I have the best weight loss results when I shoot myself in the thigh. Because even the week before last, I shot myself in the stomach. I only lost like 1.1 pounds, probably 4 ounces. But that week, the week after that, which was this past week, I was 183. I shot myself in the thigh. And now I'm 179. So I don't know. I'm just going to keep shooting myself in the thigh. So this is what I leave in the refrigerator. Because I don't need anybody in my business when they come in my refrigerator. So I got an ice pack in here. And Here is a little Ziploc bag. Here are some needles. The needle is really small. If you watch my other video, you already seen, but this how small the needle is. Can y'all see that? See that? Real small. And I gotta take up to 50 units now. This is an alcohol wipe. That's also in the Ziploc bag. I got alcohol wipes here. And in this medicine bottle is the tirzepatide. So right now I'm finna wipe my thigh. Y'all can see a little bit. I'm just wiping my thigh with the alcohol wipes. Okay. Gonna take the tirzepatide out. All right, now I'm finna poke myself. And you wanna squeeze this meat real hard, cause it do hurt when you don't squeeze that meat real hard. All right, we did it. Now I'm gonna get another alcohol wipe and wipe that spot off. Done. Then I can just throw this away and pack the medicine back up how it was. Put the alcohol wipes back in. Put the needles back in. Put this cold pack back in. It's an ice pack, but it's not frozen. But I still just like for it to be in there anyway, just for some extra coolant. Then I put this back in the refrigerator. I keep it in my refrigerator. This one back in the refrigerator. I put the top back on this needle, and then I put it in a water bottle that's empty. Then I put the water bottle in the trash can, cause just to be safe, I don't have no little hazard red box. They sell them on Amazon. I just don't have them because I feel like a water bottle could do the same thing, save me a little money. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. All done. Say hey, Ace. They been asking for you. Look who home. He got to wait till the last minute to do his homework for school. School is tomorrow. So, what you doing, Ace? Bingo?
So I'm going to read a story with someone in your family.
Read a story with someone in your family? Okay. So this is the story? Pete and the cat? You gonna read to me? Okay, I'm ready for you to read it to me, Ace.
Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, and Pete's teacher, Miss G, is teaching about leprechauns. The only time you can catch one is on St. Patrick's Day. A leprechaun will bring you good luck, Mr. G says. Now everyone in class wants a leprechaun.
So right now I'm finna make me something to eat real quick. Ace didn't want nothing to eat. I asked him. He didn't even want McDonald's, so he went hungry. This is just something quick. Just throw it in the microwave real quick. Then I'm gonna go around and show you some of my home fragrances that I use to get my house smelling good. And then I'll show you like the wick. See those right there? That's what I use to cut the wicks of my candles. That right there is a plug-in. All of this is going to be in my Amazon storefront, by the way. So make sure y'all check that out. I'll have that on the screen right here for you so you can see. R-E what? Huh? Spell it out. Recital. So as Ace is reading, I'm just trying to get the house together, and I love to have a candle lit in my home. But we got to do this homework. The assignment for his homework was to read with the family. So I'm going to go ahead and start reading after I get my candles lit. This will be in my Amazon storefront. Pete the cat, the gray leprechaun chase with Ace. Okay.
The base.
The base. Alright. Now let's go to the front page. It say reading with family. So I'm gonna reread it so I can catch up. Tomorrow it is St. Patrick's Day, and Pete's teacher, Mr. G, is teaching about leprechauns. The only time you can catch one is on St. Patrick's Day. A leprechaun will bring you good luck, Mr. G says. Now, everyone in class, wants a leprechaun. Pete gets a great idea. He will open a leprechaun chasing business. Damn, he about to get some money catching leprechauns. Okay, he bought his dollar. Alright, here go the picture. St. Patrick's Day comes and Pete gathers some supplies. He hangs a sign above his stand. This will be easy, Pete thinks. Pete's lucky leprechaun catchers. Look at all the stuff he got in his little stand. Okay. So I finished reading the book to Ace. It was a nice little book. It had poems in it, and it was a great story. As you can see, Ace is really engaged. While Clover played hide and seek, Pete learned something unique. The luck that you make beats luck that you take. Any old day of the week. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yay! We can mark that off the bingo.
You gotta initial it.
Alright. Now we just talking, catching up. I just love me some Ace. Well, this is the end of the video. I just want to tell y'all thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you work hard and stay humble. Bye.